Hello guys, Gran Turismo here, kid here, yeah, same thing, whatever. Ready to do the classic sports car series. Okay, let's find our car. Change car. Oh, 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 it's not gonna be let in. What? Oh my gosh, guys, this is gonna be awesome. I'm really looking forward to using this car. I'm saying right now, 'cause, okay, click, click, click. House on the housetop, chip, chip, chip. Down to the chimney comes old Saint Nick. Let's copyright. Okay, so I left you guys off with a 15-minute video of me doing FF challenge. Now I'm doing classic car challenge. Another hopefully quick video, quick pop, 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 because I'll keep them short, keep them like snazzy, so you guys can watch them whenever you need to, quickly if you have a busy schedule, instead of making these hour-long videos that I used to. So here we go. Doing it challenge by challenge, car by car. Wow. Just gotta wait for it to load. Faster loading screens than Gran Turismo 5, but you know, only so much faster. Oh, this car's gonna dominate. I'm just gonna have to make it a little bit slower so I don't, you know, smash it, because it's a priceless artifact. Never driven this car. Oh, GT40. Oh my god, look at this. Already. Let's see. Oh, gorgeous. This is a true race car. I was gonna try to do that, but it didn't work. Oh, we're flying. I just don't want to smash these people. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. There we go. Here. Oh, look. Already. Woo! Oh, man. Yeah, I'm thinking that this is a brand new race car. Doesn't like to rev up. I noticed it doesn't like to rev all the way. Doesn't like climbing. Doesn't like to. As for handling, it's very good so far. It's very confining in here. Whoop! Slam that. Okay. There's a wall there. Didn't even see. Oh, come on, e-brake. I gotta pull it a little harder. Harder next time. Oh! That would have been a tip. Is my wheel actually coming off right now? Why would you? Oh! Forgot about this wall here. Shit. Now I look like an idiot. Doesn't know how to drive. Feeling very daring. No, look at this. Do this corner. Oh, yeah. Okay. Slam that gear down. Look. Need for speed. Great quality. Here we go. And now just the finish line between me and that. Wave that flag. Oh, yeah. Confetti? Yeah! Confetti! Confetti! Somehow that was still a 5-minute. Oh, it's a quick change pegs. 11 grand. Take those stars, take them home. Put them on a shelf. Put them on a blanket. You know. Whatever you do with your stars. Next event. 100. I have $100,000. Oh my gosh. I know what I'm doing with that money. We're putting Nas on a car. I gotta see this. So the question is what car to throw Nas on. What car? Come on, load. Do your loading thing. Yeah. Do that spinny thing. So people can watch this good stuff. Good stuff. And then gear change. Okay. Inner seat, nice and calm. Oh! Oh! I was an idiot. I was like, look at me. I'm the king of the world. I need to calm down. This turn is very treacherous. I don't know why, but it just is. The way it's angled and stuff. Ooh, those back tires were like, let me pull out a bit. But nah. Not today. See, it's doing it again. What? Why is it? Whoa. They want to spin out. A gear change. I was getting caught. Alright, here's where we're gonna have to be a little bit less. Look at me, I can slam the brakes, because I'm not sure how good these brakes are. Or, yeah, what's it? I'll throw that on and see what happens. It seems this car doesn't. I must be an idiot looking an idiot just putting all the aids on. The aids! All the aids! That Jag's still like, I'm right behind you, bro. Oh, I'm gone. I'm gone. I don't want to give it too much brakes, and then it's gonna be a sliding brick. That ain't good. Alright, it doesn't like throttle through the corners, so I'm just not gonna apply it. All these walls are getting closer. Oh. He doesn't want to swing out as much anymore. Doesn't want to spin. Yeah, it's better now. Oh. Oh. Ooh, that would have sucked. That was real life. But then again, I purposely did that, you know, so either you handle me or you don't. You know? Watch a little bit of this replay. How about we don't do that? Nice calm music. Another 11 grand. Get a bit of a collapse. Ooh, we're definitely gonna get the Viper. We're definitely getting the Viper because I said I wanted to. I know we already got that Starstruck 100 stars. Okay, cool. I mean, I know we already got it and the anniversary form, but I wanted to get the original form so bad. With the money. I mean, I could say I know what I'm doing, but I'm not sure. Haven't done much upgrading, actually. I've noticed so far. There is no proper upgrading or tuning of a car, because this is all different car per race. Okay, it's nice and getting sunset. It's a sunset. Awesome. Awesome sunset. I'm gonna try to sing. Oh my. Did I forget my #1 rule? Don't throttle it in the corners. Oh gosh, let's do this. Let's be cheap. You're a cheater, you're a cheater. Hey man, if it's not blocked off, then whatever. Then you lose the swag. Oh, here we go. That is a very pretty car. Whoa, why you gotta do that? Oh, let that back end out. The only thing is, I know how to handle it when the back end comes out. Just, it gets you off guard every time. Because you're not in drifting mode, so. It's kind of like, damn. See, I don't want higher torque, I want lower torque. Okay, now. Damn. Oh god. He would have been responsible for all of that. Yeah, this thing doesn't like the start. At 2,000 revs, it doesn't even pick itself up. See ya, son. Oh, I just looking back like I was so cool, and then here comes the wall. Silver scone. It's saying use gear 1. Oh crap, and it's not lying. He's right on my ass. That's 1 lap, jeez. Takes 3 minutes per lap. Eesh. Damn, this car sometimes gets very, very brutal. That Stratus, though. Is that what's called, Stratus? I think that's what they called the Stratus. I could be thinking of the wrong car. Oh, that was a nice, pretty rally car back in that day. I mean, I could just cut across there, but that's so cheap. The cheap gods would come over and be like, "What the hell you think you're doing?" Silverstone.com. Oh my gosh, there's wall and tarmac over here. Well, it's me and that Stratus. Honestly, whatever mistake I make, he'll be there. Trying to eat me from it. Like right now. Like right now, when that car just started sliding because it doesn't like doing slaloms. Oh yeah. Alright, so we know where we are now. I'm really liking this time change. I love how they mapped out every single star. Like, they didn't have to do that, but they did. Because the attention to detail was just superb. I mean, think about it. Look at the night sky. On a full, no clouds, clear sky. Think about how many stars are up there, right? How much like everything that we can is visible to us, right? Think about drawing that, and then making sure that all like settles the right way and glows the right way as it goes down. Like honestly, that's just, they didn't have to. This is a car game, but they did. And that's the most amazing part. All right, guys, I think that's the last one. There's a little way for me to find out. Seems to be. Oh, that looks such a pretty car. I just want to see it just gunny. And there's that. Damn. It's because it's... I think it's because of the rear engine. Well, it's mid-engine, but how much of that back is really there? Okay. Well, now that we got that done, that done. And I'm feeling accomplished. There's the GT Compact Championship, which I think I'll throw for another episode because all 3 races. Okay, well, what car will we need? Alright, so I got cars for this. I'm actually gonna go with my this, yeah. Oh, I have a Stratus. Wow. Alright, well, anyways, I'll like, favorite, whatever you want to do it. I mean, obviously. I will see you guys during this episode, which is going to be, I think, I actually have, what the hell is this called again? Doesn't even matter. Alright, well, that was a classic. Have fun, guys. We're about to do the GT Compact Car Championship. Bye!